up? It's Julene here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going into Home Goods to see what they have new in store. I apologize, you guys. I'm going to be using my iPhone today. We're going to go in and see what kind of new home decor stuff they have, and I'm also going to talk a little bit about how I would style some of the pieces that I see. So let's jump into the store and see what we can find. Hey guys, so I hope you can see past the low quality of the iPhone. I'm sorry, when you're having those days and you can't quite pull out your camera, I hope you can stick it through because there are some pretty nice items in here. When I first walked in, there's this table full of small decor items. So the first thing that caught my attention was this bust. I think it's really stunning. And then I looked over and saw this marble cross kind of X thing. Primarily the coffee table is how I would style this. I would place the marble X thing, I don't even know the name of it, but I'd place that on the coffee table. I'd probably put the bust in an entryway, and then the little storage box, I would also place that probably on top of a coffee table or on a bedside table. I would run to the store and check out their faux plants if you're into that. They had them at a discount. And then it's almost Easter, so they had tons of faux florals out. I thought these were really pretty. Now they have a really nice bedding section. I really like this waffle quilt. I think it's a really high quality piece. It felt very well made, and a piece like this really adds a sense of luxury to your bed. The waffling is also very on trend right now, and I would style this in a very layered way, maybe adding some different patterns, some contrasting colors for a nice pop, and really layering and fluffing up the bedding to give a nice luxe and cozy feel. I really like this pair of chairs. I think they're very well made. I could see these in a modern home, a coastal home, even a mid-century modern home. I love the curved wood on the side, and they go from $500 each. I think that's a little pricey, but it's actually not too bad. I think that's kind of the going rate for that style and heftiness of a chair. I would style these both together, most likely in a living room. You could also do it in a bedroom or some kind of guest room. Now they had so many different cadenzas and storage units out. I really liked the first black one with the wood ribbing. I liked the gold detailing on the handles of this one. And then lastly, I thought this one was kind of cute. I like the oak color and the bronze brassy details. I also think $500 isn't too bad of an asking price for this. You can actually place a credenza in a lot of different places. I currently have a credenza in my bedroom. You can see them a lot in dining rooms, an entryway, a family room. They just add a nice, collected, intentional feel in your space. This bar cart is super cute, and so are these two chairs. I was actually tempted to get them, but I have nowhere to put them. Most people would automatically assume put these in a dining room, but here you can see that they can be used in a variety of ways, like an office, a living room, and even in the middle of the room as like an accent chair. If you don't have a drink table, you guys should really consider getting one. If you have a space in your home where it's just kind of awkward for people to lean over and put their drink down, I would highly recommend getting one. Oh, I love these nightstands. The wood color is so beautiful, and I love that they have a set of 2. Also, these chairs, really wanted to get them. I already have 2 that are similar to it, but I don't know. I was trying to think, where could I put these? I just love the detailing on them, and the price was a little up there, but they were really well made. I just got this on camera because I thought this was really unique. If this is your style, then go for it. Not mine, but I thought it was pretty cool. They have a lot of furniture just kind of spewed throughout. They didn't have as many like really nice pieces that they usually have. For example, this one, I could tell was kind of cheaply made. The price wasn't that expensive, but that's because it's kind of cheap. It's $60, and I actually think that's quite overpriced for the quality of what you're getting. I also really like those gray accent chairs. Those are cute, and they come in a pair as well. So now I am in the stool area. If you go to the back of the store, there's a section where you have a lot of side tables and benches. I thought this one was kind of cute. It reminds me of something in anthropology. What do you guys think? They had this wicker one, and then they also had this one next to it that has a marble top. My one at home is very similar to this one in style. Go ahead and mark in the comments which one you would get in your house. Comment wicker if you want the one that has the anthropology vibes, or this one that has a more crate and barrel CB2 vibe. Also, another set of beautiful nightstands. I like that it has that little storage area at the top. And here are their mirrors. I think HomeGoods is a great place to get mirrors. They have really large scale mirrors for affordable prices. I also like that they have a variety of styles. This one was $129. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this lamp. This screams Jolene. I love this lamp. It's so me, so mid-century modern. I would put it probably in my living room on the floor, or maybe even in my bedroom or den. I really like this lamp too. It would go great as a bedside table, and I like the little speckled detailing when you look close up. HomeGoods is a great place to go for unique styled lamps. I always like to go thrifting for lamps and then just change out the shades, but they also have some really nice choices here if you're looking to splurge a little bit more and get a little bit of a more modern take on a lamp. On the way out, I found this bowl. I would probably use it as like a fruit bowl, or maybe a bowl like in the bathroom to store like different essential items, but I was too lazy to take it out. And then lastly, I really like these chairs. I thought they were edgy, a little bit gothy, and they would go great in a living room style or an office space. So that is it for today's video, guys. They didn't have a ton of furniture in there, but they did have some pretty nice pieces for what they did have. I hope you got some tips on styling, and if you have anything that you want to see, any kind of videos, just go ahead and drop it in the comments below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye.